The house becomes quiet, the temperature drops, and a sharp crack suddenly comes from above the ceiling. It can sound like the roof is breaking, but the timing often points toward movement rather than failure. Roof materials expand while warming during the day and contract as they cool at night. Wood framing, metal flashing, ducts, and roofing components change size at different rates. When two surfaces bind and then release, the movement can create a pop or crack. A few isolated sounds during rapid temperature changes may be normal, particularly in newer construction where materials are drying and settling. Now listen for the pattern. Light ticking near metal ductwork or flashing suggests thermal movement. Repeated snapping during strong wind may indicate loose sheathing, lifted shingles, or a component moving against its fasteners. Sounds after heavy snow or prolonged rain deserve more attention. Added weight, softened decking, or changing structural loads can also make framing move. Inspect the attic in daylight if it is safely accessible. Look for split rafters, loose braces, pulled fasteners, water stains, sagging decking, or metal connector plates separating from the wood. Never cut, tighten, or modify a roof truss without an engineered plan. Check the rooms below for new ceiling cracks, doors suddenly sticking, visible sagging, or changes in the roofline. Noise combined with movement is far more concerning than noise alone. Leave the area and seek urgent professional evaluation if you hear a loud structural crack followed by sagging, falling material, or continuing movement. Record when the sound occurs, during cooling, wind, rain, or snow loading. That timing is often more useful than the sound itself. A roof that occasionally clicks as temperatures change may simply be moving. A roof that cracks while its shape is changing is asking for immediate attention.